Good morning. Today's first problem. See the problem. KTR Limited issued 365 9% debentures of rupees 1000 each on 4th March 2016. Pass necessary journal entries for the issue of debentures in the following situations. Two situations, that is, two cases are given. First, when debentures were issued at par and redeemable at a premium of 10%. Second, when debentures were issued at 6% discount and redeemable at 5% premium. Okay, so let's solve now this problem. Let's pass the journal entries in the books of KTR Limited. See the problem. In the problem they told us that KTR Limited issued 365 9% debentures at rupees 1000 each on 4th March. So date of first entry will be 4th March 2016, March 4. Okay, they have issued 365 debentures. Two conditions for issue are given as under. First is issued at par and redeemable at 10% premium. These debentures were issued at par, it means at rupees 1000, and redeemable at 10% premium means redeemable at 1100. 10% of 1000 will be 100 rupees will be premium, so they were redeemable at 1100 rupees, means at the time of repayment company will pay them 1100 rupees each. Understood? So let's pass first entry. We have to pass first entry obviously of bank account debit. So first entry will be bank account debit to debentures, 9% debentures, application and allotment account, and narration will be application money received on 365 9% debentures at rupees 1000 per debenture, 1000 each. Okay, so 1000 into 365, it will be 3,65,000. This is the first condition. Now first entry of first condition. Now second entry. Second entry will be of application money adjusted, and these debentures were issued at par and redeemable at 10% premium. So premium payable at the time of redemption will be their loss. So the entry will be debenture application and allotment account debit, 9% debit, 3,65,000. Now loss on issue of debentures account debit, premium payable at the time of redemption is 10%. 10% of 1000 is rupees 100, and 100 into 365 debentures means 36,500, or 10% premium means 10% premium of total nominal value, that is 3,65,000. 10% will be 36,500. So both way loss on issue of debentures will be 36,500 to 9% debentures account, 3,65,000 to premium on redemption of debentures account. $36,500 premium extra payable at the time of redemption, which is debited to loss on issue of debentures account because it is capital loss. Okay, so narration will be 365 9% debentures issued at par and redeemable at 10% premium. Okay, now the case second. Case second. See the second case. They told us that these debentures were issued at 6% discount and redeemable at 5% premium. Okay. So issued at discount and redeemable at premium. This is the condition of this. This is the second condition. So first entry we have to pass on March 4th. First entry will be of bank account debit, that is amount received in the bank. So entry will be bank account debit to 9% debenture application and allotment account. And the narration is application money received on 365 9% debentures at 6% discount because they are issued at discount at 6% discount, that is at not necessary 6% discount. See, the face value is rupees 1000 and 6% of 1000 will be rupees 60. Okay, so we have to deduct 60 rupees from 1000 and the value will be 940. So these debentures was rupees 1000, that is face value rupees 1000, issued at rupees 940 each. Understood? इथे आपण लिहू पण शकतो दॅट इज ॲट रुपीज 940 इच, पण लिहायलाच पाहिजे असं काही नाही. सो 940 रुपीज पर डिबेंचर इंटू 365. वी हॅव टू मल्टिप्लाय देम and the amount will be 3,43,100. Okay, this amount is received by the company into bank. Now adjustment of debenture application and allotment money. Second entry will be, now here there is double loss because these debenture were issued at discount, that is less than face value, and they are redeemable at 5% premium, means 5% amount more than its face value, that is 50 rupees more than its face value, that is for 1050. So there is double loss. We can pass entry debenture application and allotment account debit, discount on issue of debentures account debit, loss on issue of debentures account debit to 9% debentures account to premium on redemption of debentures account. This way, just like yesterday I taught you. Okay, otherwise we can group together the discount and loss due to premium on redemption, and we can debit total amount to loss on issue of debentures account. Understood? So now we will add the amount and pass the journal entries today, so that you can understand both the ways of passing the journal entry. You can use any way to pass journal entry in the exam, which is with which way you are comfortable, you can use that way. ओके. याचा अर्थ एंट्रीमध्ये डिस्काउंट वेगळा लिहायचा आणि प्रीमियम ऑन रिडम्शन हा लॉस आहे तो लॉसच्या नावाने वेगळा लिहायचा. असंही करू शकतो आपण डेबिट करताना, किंवा लॉस आणि डिस्काउंट एकत्र करून टोटल अमाऊंट लॉस ऑन इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स अकाउंटला आपण डेबिट करू शकतो, असंही करू शकतो. काल आपण दोन वेगवेगळ्या दाखवलं होतं. डिस्काउंट अकाउंट पण डेबिट केला होता, लॉस ऑन इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स अकाउंट पण डेबिट केला होता. आता आपण ते एकत्र करून डेबिट करून दाखवतोय, सो दॅट यू कॅन अंडरस्टँड दिस वे ऑल्सो. ओके. So second entry will be debenture application and allotment account debit. $3,43,100. Okay. Now loss on issue of debentures account debit. Here discount in this entry is 21,900 plus at the time of redemption they will pay 5% premium, so premium will be 18,250 and total amount will be 40,150. कालच्याप्रमाणे एंट्री पास करायची झाली तर 9% डिबेंचर ॲप्लिकेशन अँड अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट 3,43,100. डिस्काउंट ऑन इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स अकाउंट डेबिट 21,900. लॉस ऑन इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स अकाउंट डेबिट 18,250. असे 3 अकाउंट डेबिट होतील. त्याच्याऐवजी दोन्ही डिस्काउंट आणि प्रीमियम रिपेबल ॲट द टाईम ऑफ रिडम्शन असे दोन्ही एकत्र करून लॉस ऑन इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स अकाउंटला डेबिट टाकले टोटल अमाऊंट, बिकॉज बोथ आर कॅपिटल लॉस. ओके. 9% डिबेंचर्स अकाउंट amount is 3,65,000. 2 premium on redemption of debentures account amount is 18,250. so this premium payable plus discount, because these debentures are issued at discount, both are losses to the company, so they are debited to loss on issue of debentures account. Understood? Narration. 365 9% debentures issued at 6% discount and redeemable at 5% premium. This is the second entry of second condition. Okay. In this way we have to pass journal entries in this problem, and now we will solve one more problem. So this is today's second problem. Pass journal entries to record the following transactions. B Limited issues 30,000 10% debentures of ₹100 each at a discount of 5% to be repaid at par at the end of 5 years. It means B Limited issued 30,000 debentures of ₹100 each at a discount of 5%, means at ₹95. 5% discount म्हणजे 100वर 5% म्हणजे ₹5 at discount. So after deducting ₹5, the amount will be 95. So debentures of ₹100 each issued at ₹95 to be repaid at par, and they are repayable at par, that is redeemable at par after 5 years. Second, C Limited issues 10% debentures of ₹100 each for the total nominal value of ₹40 lakhs at a premium of 5% to be redeemed at par at the end of 5 years. Here total nominal value, just like yesterday, is given 40 lakhs. Debentures face value is rupees 100. So after dividing 100, 40 lakhs divided by 100, number of debentures will be 40,000. So C Limited issued 40,000 debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of 5%, means 5 rupees more in rupees 100. So issued at rupees 105 to be redeemed at par at the end of 5 years. Okay. Third, D Limited issues rupees 50 lakhs, 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at par, means number of debentures here will be 50,000. They are issued at par but redeemable at the end of 10 years at 105%. Fourth, E Limited issues rupees 60 lakhs, that is 60,000 debentures, 60,000, 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 5%, means at rupees 95, and repayable at a premium of 10%, that is at 110 at the end of 5 years. And last, fifth, F Limited issues rupees 70 lakhs, that is obviously 70,000 debentures, 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of 5%, means at rupees 105, redeemable at 110% at the end of 10 years. Okay. So let's solve this problem. Interesting problem. In all the cases, in 5 cases, in every case we have to pass 2 journal entries. So let's start now. Now see, in this problem, in every transaction they have given separate company. So first transaction, that is first point, their first case will be in the journal of B Limited. So here I will write B Limited. For every condition we will write the name of the company. First condition is in the books of B Limited journal entries. Okay. See, first condition, B Limited issues 30,000, not rupees 30,000. 30,000 means it's their number of debentures. B Limited issues 30,000 10% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 5%. It means at rupees 95 to be repaid at par at the end of 5 years. So they are repayable at par. Okay. We have to pass 2 journal entries in the books of B Limited. First entry will be of application money received on 30,000 debentures at rupees 95 each, means after deducting 5% discount. Okay. So let's pass now. First entry will be bank account debit to 10% debenture application and allotment account, debenture application and allotment account, and narration. Application money received on 30,000 debentures at rupees 95 each, or on 30,000 debentures at 5% discount. Okay. So 95 into 30,000 is 28 lakhs 50,000. Now second entry, these debentures were issued at discount and repayable at par. So at the time of repayment there will not be any loss. So here the entry will be debenture application and allotment account debit amount is 28,50,000. Discount on issue of debentures account debit. Discount rupees 5 into 30,000 debentures, so it will be 1,50,000. To 10% debentures account. ₹30 lakhs. Okay. Issued 30,000 10% debentures of ₹100 each at ₹95 each. This will be the narration, and this is the last entry of first condition. Now second condition. Here in the books of C Limited, second condition is in the books of C Limited. Okay, we will pass first entry now. See the condition. C Limited issues 10% debentures of ₹100 each for the total nominal value, that is face value, of ₹40 lakhs. So as I have discussed with you already, 40 lakhs divided by the face value 100, so number of debentures will be 40,000. So C Limited issued 40,000 debentures of ₹100 each at a premium of 5% and to be redeemed at par at the end of the year. So these debentures, 40,000 debentures, were issued at 5% premium and redeemable at par. This is the condition. 5% premium means ₹5 more than face value, that is 105. Okay. So let's pass the journal entry now. Bank account debit. To 10% debenture application and allotment account. Narration. Application money received on 40,000 debentures at ₹105 each. 105 each. Okay. So amount will be 42 lakhs. 40 lakhs is the original amount and 2 lakhs is the premium on issue. Okay. So this is the first entry. Now let's pass second entry. Second entry. 10% debenture application and allotment account debit. ₹42 lakhs to 10% debentures account. 40 lakhs as I told you before to security premium reserve account. ₹2 lakhs. This is the premium at the time of issue. आपण ॲट द टाईम ऑफ इश्यू प्रीमियम असेल तर सिक्युरिटी प्रीमियम रिझर्व अकाउंट क्रेडिट करतो, तो हा प्रीमियम आहे. हा प्रीमियम ॲट द टाईम ऑफ रिडम्शनचा नाही आहे, बिकॉज दिस डिबेंचर्स आर रिडीमेबल ॲट पार. प्रीमियम ऑन रिडम्शन असेल तर प्रीमियम ऑन रिडम्शन अकाउंट क्रेडिट केला जातो, हे लक्षात ठेवा सगळ्यांनी. ओके, सो दिस इज सिक्युरिटी प्रीमियम रिझर्व ॲट द टाईम ऑफ इश्यू ऑफ 40,000 डिबेंचर्स. नॅरेशन इज issue of 40,000 10% debentures of rupees 100 each at 5% premium or at rupees 105 each. This is the narration and this is the last entry of second condition. Now we have to solve third condition. So in the journal of D Limited, okay, first entry. See the condition. D Limited issues rupees 50 lakhs 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at par. Rupees 50 lakhs means 50 lakhs divided by 100, that is number of debentures were 50,000. So 50,000 12% debentures were issued of rupees 100 each at par, means at rupees 100, but redeemable at the end of 10 years at 105%. Okay, it means they are redeemable after 10 years at 5% premium. म्हणजे 100 रुपयाचे 105 रुपये दिले जाणार आहेत, म्हणजे 5% प्रीमियम दिला जाणार आहे, असा त्याचा अर्थ आहे. ओके, सो फर्स्ट एंट्री विल बी ऑफ ॲप्लिकेशन मनी रिसिव्ड. सो बँक अकाउंट डेबिट to 12% debentures, 12% it is. Application money received on 50,000 12% debentures at rupees 100 each, because they are issued at par. Okay, so 50,000 into 100, that is 50 lakhs. So amount will be 50 lakhs. Okay, now second entry. This is the third condition, D Limited, second entry. Now second entry will be, these debentures are issued at par but they are redeemable at 5% premium. So at the time of redemption they have to pay premium, that will be the loss to the company. So debenture application and allotment account debit, 12% debentures ₹50 lakhs. Okay, now loss on issue of debentures account, loss on issue of debentures account debit. This is the premium payable at the time of redemption, which is 5%, so it will be 2,50,000 obviously. See, 5% of 50 lakhs, 10% will be 5 lakhs, 5% will be 2,50,000, or rupees 5 premium into 50,000 debentures. So 50,000 into rupees 5 will be 2,50,000. This is the premium payable at the time of redemption, which is debited to loss on issue of debentures account. Okay, to 12% debentures account, 50 lakhs to premium on redemption of debentures account. Premium on redemption of debentures account, 2,50,000. Understood? So narration, issue of 50,000 12% debentures of ₹100 each at par and redeemable at redeemable at 5% premium, or you can write redeemable at ₹105 each. So this is the second entry of third condition. Now let's solve fourth condition. Fourth condition is E Limited. In the books of E Limited journal, in the books of E Limited. Okay. So first entry, this is the fourth condition. Fourth condition. See, E Limited issues ₹60 lakhs 12% debentures of ₹100 each at a discount of 5%, means at ₹95, repayable at a premium of 10%, means at ₹110 at the end of 5 years. ₹60 lakhs debentures means ₹60 lakhs divided by face value ₹100. So number of debentures will be 60,000 debentures. Understood? So 60,000 debentures were issued at discount and repayable at premium. This is the fourth condition. So first entry will be application money received, bank account debit to 12% debentures application and allotment account. Application money received मध्ये मध्ये लक्ष ठेवते मी, दिसतंय ना तुम्हाला नीट ते. ॲप्लिकेशन मनी received on 60,000 12% debentures at rupees. At rupees, they told us that at a discount of 5%, means at ₹95 each. Okay. So the amount will be 57 lakhs. Okay. Now see, in this condition again, these debentures were issued at discount, but they are redeemable at premium. So there is double loss. Discount is a loss and premium on redemption is another loss. So as I told you before, we can involve both the accounts or group together the amount and debit the account that is loss on issue of debentures account. So second entry, 12% debentures application and allotment account debit, that is 57 lakhs. Now loss on issue of debentures account debit, amount is 9 lakhs. From 9 lakhs, 6 lakhs will be the premium and 3 lakhs will be the discount on issue of debentures. Okay. See here, 60,000 debentures were issued at ₹95, that is 5 rupees less, means ₹5 into 60,000, that is 3 lakhs. Okay. Or 60 lakhs minus 57,000 lakhs means 3 lakhs rupees discount. It is involved in this. because we have grouped together premium payable at the time of redemption and discount at the time of issue. Okay, and premium will be 10% premium, so 10% of 60 lakhs will be 6 lakhs. Okay, or 60,000 debentures into 10 rupees premium means 6 lakhs. This premium and 3 lakh rupees discount, this is grouped together here. 3 lakhs plus 6 lakhs. Okay, to 12% debentures account. ₹60 lakhs to premium on redemption of debentures account. This premium is 6 lakhs. So in this way we have to pass the journal entry. Issue of 60,000 12% debentures of ₹100 at 5% discount, or we can write at ₹95 each, and redeemable or repayable at 10% premium, or we can write at 110 each. Okay, so this is the condition. And now the last condition of this problem in the books of F Limited. F Limited journal entries. First entry, this is the fifth condition. First entry will be of application money received. Obviously, see the transaction. F Limited issues ₹70 lakhs, means 70,000 debentures, 12% debentures of ₹100 each at a premium of 5%, means at ₹105 per debenture, 5 rupees will be more. Okay, they are issued at a premium of 5% and redeemable at 110% at the end of 10 years, means redeemable at 10% premium. Okay, so 70,000 debentures were issued at 5% premium and redeemable at 10% premium. This is the last condition of this problem. So entry will be, first entry will be of application money received, bank account debit to, these debentures are again 12% debentures, so 12% debentures application and allotment account, and the narration will be application money received on 70,000 debentures at ₹105 each or at 5% premium. Okay, so we have received 105 each debenture, that is 5 rupees more on each debenture. Okay, so amount will be 73,50,000. बघा 70,000 into 100 means 70 lakhs and 70,000 debentures into 5 rupees is means 3,50,000. So total amount received 73,50,000. Okay, now the second entry. Second entry of last transaction, last entry of last transaction. These debentures were repayable at 10% premium. So premium at the time of redemption of debentures, that is ₹7 lakhs, will be debited to loss on issue of debentures account. So 12% debenture application and allotment account debit 73,50,000. Then loss on issue of debentures account debit. That is premium payable at the time of redemption, 7 lakhs. To 12% debentures account. $70 lakhs. To security premium reserve account. This is the security premium 5% received at the time of issue, 3,50,000, and to premium on redemption of debentures account. That is 10% premium on 70 lakhs, that is 7 lakhs, or 70,000 debentures, 7 lakhs. Narration: issue of 70,000 12% debentures at 5% discount and redeemable at 10% premium. 10% means 10 rupees each per debenture. So 70,000 debentures into 10 rupees, that is 7 lakhs. Okay, 7 lakhs is the premium which is debited to loss on issue of debentures account. In this way we have completed all the conditions of this problem. If there is any doubt you can ask. That's all for today.